Sometimes you might need to export data out of SmartSuite so that you can use it somewhere else. Well, if that pertains to you, that is exactly what we're going to be talking about in this training, so stick around and let's get into it. So the first step you need to take anytime you want to export data out of SmartSuite is to access the data, right? So first go into whatever solution that you need to, wherever that data lives, and then also go into the application or the app where that data is. So for our example here, I'm inside of my sales CRM solution and I'm inside of my opportunities app. Now, from here, I want to export this information. I make a selection on whatever different records I want to export. In my case, maybe I want to export all of them. So I can go into the upper corner here and make that selection at the top, and it will select all of the records in this particular view. So now that I'm here, you'll notice that I have this pop-up down at the bottom. It tells me that 8 records are currently selected. I can print, export, or mass delete those records. In my case, I want to export that data, so I'll make that selection. I have 4 different options at present for how I can export that data, from PDF to Excel to Google Sheets, and finally a CSV file. So in our example, let's take a look at PDF just to see how it presents. I can choose the paper size here. Nice little drop down. I can choose the layout, whether landscape or portrait. I can also look at column sizing, so actual size or fit it to the page width. And then lastly, look at the font size. Let's actually move this down to small. Once I've made the selections that I like, I can click Export to PDF. That is going to take just a moment, and then that data is going to be instantly available for me in a PDF. I can click and open that particular document, and there we go. I've got a 3-page report of the 8 different records that I just exported. So there they are, all the data, page by page, of course with the settings that I saved as I exported that data. Now let's look at a different opportunity here. The other 3 work somewhat similarly in terms of exporting to Excel, Sheets, or a CSV file. So I'll just pick Excel here as an example. And again, no options here. It just instantly is available for me here. I can go ahead and open up that Excel file and all my data there broken up in columns, cell by cell. You'll notice that my columns have headers, and then I have all of the information out here. It looks pretty similar for Google Sheets and also for a CSV export. So go ahead and tinker around with exporting data, and if you want to go ahead and rewatch the video, please do, and I'll see you in the next training. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video, and until then, we'll see you in the next training.